Welcome back to Design Guy. Want to make eye-catching hollow outline text in Canva? I'll show you how step by step. Click Create, then choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, select Elements from the menu. Scroll through the options and find Photo to add an image to your design. Select your image, then click on Remove Background using the BT Remover tool. Wait a few seconds while the background is processed and cleared. Once your image has a transparent background, look for the Add Text option. Then choose the hollow text style. Type your desired text into the box and position it over your image as needed. Change the font by clicking the Font drop-down menu, then select Horizon from the list. This updates your text to use the Horizon font style immediately. Next, select Elasticsex in your project. After that, duplicate the selection by pressing Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This will create a copy of the item. Then, make sure to select the newly duplicated item to prepare it for the next step in your workflow. Following these actions keeps your process organized and allows for efficient editing. Select the text, then click the Layer menu. Choose Send to Back to move the selected text behind all other elements in your project. Merge the text, then click Back to return to the main menu. Select the Hollow option to make the object hollow. Next, adjust the thickness setting to increase the wall thickness as desired. Review the changes to ensure the object appears correctly, and make further adjustments if needed before proceeding to the next step. Click the Share button, then select Download. In the options, choose PNG as the file type. Next, click on the background file. Finally, click Download again to save the background as a PNG image. Now you can make stylish hollow outline text in Canva. Give it a try. Like and subscribe for more simple design tips.